Hey guys, Ross Hill here with ShareMyStars. I wanted to talk to you about what the head tag is. So we say install the code within the head tag of your website. And we have tutorials for WordPress, Squarespace, and Shopify. But what if you're using a different platform that allows you to edit the code, but you don't really know what you're looking for? I wanted to show you this document. So the head tag literally looks like this. So you have a left arrow, the word head, and then a right arrow. Now, when you see this one versus line, so line 3 versus line 12, okay? So you see the / head in line 12. Essentially what you're looking at is the beginning and the end, okay? The end is indicated with the /. The beginning has no /. So as long as you can find your code editor for your website, and you copy and paste that code anywhere between the beginning and the end of the head tag, you're going to be good to go. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much again, and have a great rest of your day.